Hello guys, welcome back with this additional of Monday, October the 18th, 2021. Yes, we have in this additional 6 extra puzzles, letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, then we have a binary and a Tectonic with 1 star. And I've already solved 2 puzzles, Sudoku with 3 stars and a binary puzzle, but now it's time for this one. The last puzzle of today I will do is a Tectonic with 4 stars. The other 3 puzzles are too much for me to solve it in one day, so perhaps tomorrow we don't have additional, so I will continue with this additional, but I will only do 3 of them today, and the last one is a Tectonic with 4 stars, and this one is a special one. Yes, first, this puzzle will be number 3554. Why it's special? Because we have only 8 given numbers. The first time I see with 8 given numbers, because I only see 9, 10, 11, 12 for the tough ones. So I think this will be extremely difficult. Yeah. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, for 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see 2 boxes. Single boxes are always a 1. Here 1, there 1. Then the following question, can we see here the dual box or boxes? Only 1 dual box. It contains the 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Do we have more? Here another one, the 1 and a 2. Okay, more dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. I see here triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But if you see a triple box, the box near the middle box here, the inside box, or yeah, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5, but we already have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. Okay. More triple boxes? No triple box. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. But I cannot fill this yet. Here also a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. The 3 and the 4, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or construction, whatever you name it. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here, the L shape. If you see the L shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More L shapes here, upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the T construction or T shape? Here we have a T shape. Okay, the T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. More T-shapes or structures. Overlooked. This is also a quadra box. So here quadra box, there quadra box, and here quadra box. Okay. Still cannot fill this yet. Okay. T-shape, only 1. Then the following structure or figure. How about this shape? This shape. Okay. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, those are the shapes in this puzzle. Only 3 of them. We have more, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we only see 3 shapes that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. We have a 1 here. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this dual box. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. But also we have a double 2 there. So I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So here cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Here cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 here because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. And we already have a 1 here. So this is not a solution to place the 1 there. So the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a 2 there. And this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes in this quadra box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. That means that this box and that box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here or there, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Okay, so 2 boxes left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Oh, wait. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 1. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1, should be here. This box cannot be a 2 anymore. We have a 2 now. Okay, so 1 box left for the 2, should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. We have a 2 here. 1 box left for the 2, should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. I think, no, don't think too much. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be a 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5, okay. I think this box should be a 3, because it cannot be a 1, can it be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4 or a 5? Yeah, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and 5 and not a 1 anymore. So I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here. Okay. I need a 2 in this area. I need a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Okay, so we have a pair, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay, 4 and a 5, 3 and a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I fill a 4 here, I cannot place any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. Okay. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. And now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. These 2 boxes can it be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those, 1 and 3. Okay, we have this quadra box, we have a 4 here, so those 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, and that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Okay, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have 2 numbers left in this corner box for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those, 3 and 4, and this box is connected with that box, will be also 3 and 4, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. Now we have 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Then 1, 2. Okay, the difficult part now. If I place a 3, if I place a 1. Overlooked. We have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 1. Well, this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. Okay. Then this box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 4 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. Alright, 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 4, and this box is connected with that box, so we also have 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, we do with 8 given numbers. Publisher, more of these kind of puzzles. I like this one. Yes. So 2 stars. So I thought it was a 4 stars because I've told you the 4 stars puzzles, Tectonic, only with 8, 9, 10, 11 printed digits. This one has 8, the lowest I've seen. Yeah, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe. Yes. And you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.